Hello, dear students. How are you? Tell me, how are you? So well. Okay, thank you. I am also fine. This class is part of speech. Okay, we will discuss or we will learn about part of speech. Parts of speech. Parts of speech. Part of speech. We have learned about the sentence, clauses, phrases. You know. But today we will learn about part of speech. How many types of part of speech do you know?
Yes, sir.
Actually, we all know that there are 8 types of part of speech. It is known to all. Okay. But about 8 type of part of speech, we will know about 8 type of part of speech details. Okay, today. How many types? 8 types. Okay, 8 types of part of speech. 8 types. Okay, part of speech is a foundation of a sentence or language or literature. Okay, of foundation. Do you know what is foundation? Part of speech is a foundation of any sentence, language or literature. Okay, without part of speech we cannot make a sentence, a clause, a phrase, okay, or any language. We cannot express our any thing, anything and any idea with each other. Okay, we cannot express without part of speech. We know that one is noun, two pronoun, three verb, four adjective, five adverb, six preposition, seven conjunction, eight interjection. Okay, actually which word is very important for any sentence, for any language, for any literature? Which word which part, which types is very important? Which types? Can you say? Very important part is verb. Okay, because no one any kind of sentence in the language without verb. Okay, verb is must in a sentence, in a language. Okay, that is no fact that we will discuss about now. At first, noun. What is noun? What is your name? Your name is Roman. Roman is a name or noun. Okay, naming what? Which word is naming what? We can say that is noun. Okay, also we can say in the another way that noun is a word which express the name of a place, things, okay, place, things, idea, person, etc. Okay, the name of things, okay, things, person, Person, place, and idea. Okay, idea. This is called noun. Okay, a noun is by which word we express the name of things, person, and idea. What is things? Things. This is a pen. Okay, it is a thing.
Yes.
Marker pen, whiteboard, marker pen. It is a board is a thing. Okay, whiteboard. Chair is a thing. Okay, these are name of things. These are name of things. Mobile, a kind of things name. Okay, things name. Chair, table, fan, etc. There are many name of things we see society. Okay, person, Rohim Korim, Russell Bunda, etc. Whose name is any kind of person. Okay, person. Place Dhaka, Rajshahi, London, America. Okay, Dinajpur.
Yes.
Hello, understand? This name is a
Place.
place. For that reason, it is a noun. Okay, it is a noun. Idea. Can you tell any name of idea? Idea. এখানে here we can given some example. Love. Okay, love is also a verb but a noun also. Okay, when it is love, then its Bengali meaning is bhalobasha. When it is verb, then its Bangla meaning is bhalobashi. Okay, bhalobasha and bhalobashi. Next, honesty. Okay,
Broken.
honesty. This kind of noun is idea. Okay, idea. Do you understand about the noun? What is noun?
Yes.
A noun is a which words express about the name of things, person, place, and idea. Okay. Then any question?
No.
Just you have to understand, and you have to tell in English, in your own opinion or own thing. Okay, without memorizing. If you memorizing this definition, this in the book definition, if you memorize, you cannot speak, you cannot learn, you cannot write without hesitation. Okay, all the time you have to write, you have to write, you have to speak without flowing any indicate option. Okay, but you have to read me, you have to read books, you have to read another kind of books, more books, but don't flow memorizing way. Okay, you have to flow in the learning way, understanding way. Okay, then we will discuss about pronoun. We will discuss about
Pronoun.
pronoun. What is pronoun?
Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun.
Noun. A pronoun is a word whose word stands or sits. Okay, instead of noun.
Noun.
Instead of noun. Instead of noun. Which word sits instead of
A noun.
a noun. For example, we can give
Rana is a good
an
boy.
example.
He is good to read.
At first, we can say Rana is a good boy. Okay.
He goes to the school today.
And he reads book and timely. Okay. Timely. He is who? Here he is who?
He is a person.
He is Rana. Okay, he is Rana. At first we use Rana, then we didn't use Rana. We use he instead of Rana. Instead of Rana. He means here Rana. Okay, because we understand here he is Rana. Okay, he is Rana. Who is book timely? Rana. But we cannot, we do not express Rana. Instead of Rana, we have used he. Okay, this is a type of example of pronoun. Huh? Many pronoun he, she, okay, they,
Eat.
we, it, okay, this. It is also a kind of we, okay, we, you, etc. These are all pronoun. Do you understand? Which word stands or sits instead of pronoun? Instead of a pronoun. Instead of a pronoun, the name of this, it is shortcut way for understanding or keeping in your memory. Are you clear about this? Huh? Now we will discuss about verb. Now we will discuss about which type? About which type? Verb. Verb is very important element. Okay, in a sentence or of a sentence. Verb. Verb. A verb is a word which describes. Okay, which describes
Use.
a verb is word which okay express
And action.
express is an action
Or state.
or state or state an action or state. What is action and what is state? Now we will learn. Okay, now we will understand. Okay, now we will discuss about what is action and what is state. Okay. Rana plays football. Rana plays football. It is a verb. Okay. Huh? Johnny is a good student. Who is a good student. It is also a verb. Now we will discuss about these two types of verbs. What is action and what is state and why. What and why. Okay, and how. Rana plays football. Rana, when plays football, of course he use her a physical. Okay, in the another way, for playing football everyone use their body. Body, without body anyone can play in the field. When anyone use their or her or his body, okay, or physical way, this action Rana does by physical way, okay, that is an action, okay, which work anyone does by physical way, that is an action, okay. But Johnny is a good student. It is a description, okay, it is a description. How Johnny, what is Johnny, okay, what is Johnny? It describes about Johnny, okay, how he is. It is not a physical work, it is physical work.
No.
It is a condition. How he is, bad or wrong or sick or fine, okay, good or bad, well or sick. That is, it is a condition, but it is action. If you say this kind, Johnny is a good student, for this reason Johnny cannot use, or Johnny does not use his body. Is a body means here? No, but plays in the field. When someone play, he or she can use his or her body, okay. For the reason it is action verb, it is state verb. Condition, how a good student. How is Johnny? Is a good student. Here is not need a physical point, okay. Do you understand what is action and state? He was a teacher, okay, he was a teacher. It is described about he, okay, but he reads a book. He reads a book, but when someone reads, of course when someone reads, of course he or she use her or him body, his body. Without your body, can you read any book? No. But he was a teacher. It is a describing sentence, no action word, okay, no action. State, condition, etc. Clear? Now we will discuss about adjective. An adjective is a word which describes a noun or pronoun. Which word, okay, express or describe describe. Describe. Which word describes a noun or noun and pronoun? Okay, noun and not and or. Okay, pronoun. Which word describes noun or pronoun? We know about noun and pronoun. Okay, describe. Describe means narrates. Okay, something tell about the noun or pronoun. This is describe. Okay, when I will say something about you, it is described. Okay, we can give an example. Roman is a brilliant student. Brilliant students. Here we will see that a and brilliant, two words. Who is brilliant? Who is brilliant? Roman. Okay. Brilliant describes about Roman. Okay. A. Who A? A is A. This is noun. It is also noun. The number of students. Okay. But it describes it also it. Here woman and student the same. A good student which who this student Roman is who student. Okay, this describes about noun. For that reason these two words is adjective. Okay. When we say red pen, okay, red pen. Pen is a noun. A things red is described about pen. Which color? Okay, red color. This red describes this noun. Okay. For that reason it is adjective. Clear? Which word describes about noun or pronoun? These are called adjective. Which word describes a noun or pronoun? This is called adjective. Okay. We will discuss about noun. We will discuss about noun in a class details. Okay. We understand very briefly. Okay. Not elaborately. Okay. Not details. Any problem about adjective?
No.
Please ask me. Have any question? If don't understand about the adjective, okay? Which word describes noun or pronoun? Then we will discuss about adverb. About adverb. Adjective, adverb. Okay? Which word? An adverb is a word. An adverb is a word which Which word describes, okay,
something to the meaning of a verb.
about adjective and adverb also, okay.
Yes.
An adverb is a word which word describes about verb, adjective and adverb also, okay. We will be clear with some example now, okay. Now we will discuss about he runs fast. The first word is which about the first word, okay, describes which word, tell me, this or this. Runs fast, okay. He is not fast is run, okay. First is run. For the reason, the first describe about runs, describe or modify, okay, describe or modify. How runs fast, how runs he runs, okay. How, basically we can understand adverb by asking some WS word, for the reason how, when, where. By this WS, when you ask and when you can get this is adverb, okay. How runs fast, for the reason by asking how we get a answer. This answer is adverb, okay. When you will ask us by the why, this answer is also adverb, okay. Why, where, how, okay. This adverb modify or describes about verb, for the reason it is adverb. Another, we can give an example more.
He walks slowly.
He is a very good student. He is a very good student. Here good is adjective. But how good? Very good. How good? Very good. This word describes about good. How good? Very good. For the reason it is adverb. Describes adjective. We told here, okay. We said here adjective describes about adjective. Now describes about adjective very. Do you understand? It is adverb. Okay. We will give another example. How describes about adverb for learning. Rana reads book very quickly. adverb? Because Rana reads book very quickly. Okay, reads. How reads? Very quickly. Quickly. But how quickly?
Very.
Very quickly. Okay. How reads?
Quickly.
Quickly. But quickly.
Very good.
Very quickly. This is very powerful than it. Okay. Very quickly. He reads. He reads very quickly. What is very fast? Very quickly.
Very good.
Okay. Huh? This is also an adverb. Okay. Finally, we can say that we learned about adverb by this way, that which word describes about verb, adjective, and adverb.
Also.
This word is adverb, or this is called adverb. Clear?
Yes.
Actually, we will discuss about this. It will be a class. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 class. We will make video class. Okay.
Yes.
We will 8 video class about this 8 types of part of speech. Now we will discuss about preposition. Which type? Preposition. Preposition. What is preposition? When we will ask, then we will find the answer of preposition. Okay. A preposition is a word which word link.
Relation.
Which word makes a relation or make a link. Okay. With noun and
Sentence.
and with other
word.
noun, pronoun, and with other words make a relation. Now we will shortly given an answer. Which word makes a link or
Relation.
okay. With whom? With pronoun and other words or another words. Another word. It is called preposition. Okay. Now we can give an example to understand about preposition. The book is on the table. Okay. Without on, when we say the book is the table. What is the meaning and what is the meaning? Okay. The table. The book is on the table. Okay. But the book is the table. Is this complete sense?
No.
Huh?
No.
But it is complete sense. It is possible, but it is
No.
impossible. Okay. The table. Actually, this noun, okay, make a relation with this word, okay, with this word by the on, without on it didn't make a sentence or relation, okay. So it is very important parts or element of a sentence, preposition. Without preposition you cannot write fluently, you cannot write, you cannot speak fluently without preposition, impossible. Preposition is very important for speaking and writing, okay, in English, very important. We can give another example for preposition. Okay. Rana eats rice, okay, on the with father, with father on the table, okay, on the table by vegetable or with vegetable, no problem. Vegetable in the morning. Here in is a preposition, by is a preposition, or is a preposition, with is a preposition. Put preposition I use here, okay. But if you without this you cannot make a meaning of this sentence, okay. Rana eats rice, father, the table, vegetable, the morning. It is a meaningful sentence. Without preposition, subject, verb, object. Sometimes we see after verbs preposition, okay, but object, after object you have must use, okay, preposition, must. Without preposition it is impossible to make a long sentence, okay, long sentence. For that reason preposition is very important in speaking and writing, for developing writing and speaking skill, okay. Now we will discuss about what is preposition. A link, which word makes a link or relation, okay, with noun, pronoun and another words, it is called preposition. Ruman, understand? Shika, you try to understand, keeping strong your head, okay, you have to try. Then day by day it is impossible to develop with a day, okay, day by day, but you have to keep try, okay, you have to try for developing your skill, okay. Now about conjunction. What conjunction? What is conjunction?
Conjunction is a word used to join words or sentence.
A conjunction is a word which word connects or join. Hello, connects or join words, more words or more sentence, clauses, okay. Which word, okay, which word connects or
Join.
joins, huh?
Yes. One.
Two or more words, huh? More words or
Sentence.
more words, sorry. More words
Or
and sentence. Okay, sentences or sentence. A conjunction is a word. Hello. A conjunction is a word which word connects or join more words and sentence. We can give an example. Rana and Russell, okay, play football. Play.
Football.
Here Rana and Russell, two words connect with and. Connect with
And.
and. Hmm? He reads, okay. He reads hard, so that he can pass, okay. He can pass in the exam, okay. So that is also a conjunction, okay, because this clause and this clause or sentence connect, connect. 5 words which express which conjunction. Ruman, tell me 5 words. Tell. No, without seeing any kind of paper or books. Tell. But one. Both. Therefore. Beside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another is with is a preposition. Or
But.
okay, but there is but. Or actually this also sometimes preposition, okay. Sometimes conjunction and connector. Conjunction and connectors. Something has difference, okay. Now we can give example about conjunction and or but if so that etc. There are many words of conjunction, okay. Actually a conjunction is a word which word connects or join more word and sentences, okay. Clear? Now we will discuss about interjection. Interjection.
Yes.
Not Michael Jackson. It is interjection. Do you know about Michael Jackson, Ruman?
Yes, sir.
No? About Michael Jackson?
Yes.
You?
Yes.
Yes.
You dance like Michael Jackson?
Yes.
Now they are dance. Michael Jackson. Do you know about Michael Jackson? Everyone know about Michael Jackson. Although Michael Jackson already out of the Michael Jackson is already out of the world. He died, but all people know about Michael Jackson. his dance and sing. Connect the people's interested. Finally, we will discuss about interjection. Not Michael Jackson. Interjection, not interjection. Oh, sorry, interjection. Okay, interjection, not Michael Jackson. Interjection. A interjection is a word.
Yes.
An interjection is a which word? Which words
Expresses
expresses
certain feelings.
sudden feelings or strong feelings. Sudden feelings or strong feelings. Sudden feelings, strong feelings, and emotion. Okay. Expresses. And emotion. Okay. Then it is called interjection. Okay. We can give an example about interjection. Alas.
Yes.
I am undone. We have on the game. We have on the game. These are interjection. Okay. Strong feelings or sudden feelings or and emotion. Clear?
Yes.
We discussed about 8 types of preposition. Okay, 8 type of actually finally we will see an image, total image. Okay, Rana plays football. With friends in the morning and plays football. Okay, with classmate, in the afternoon, this it is a long sentence. Okay,
Yes.
but how many words here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 17 words here. Okay, has a is what each word is a types. Each word is a types. 7 words. Rana now 1 number types. Okay,
Yes.
play
Verb.
3 number types. Okay, noun
Noun.
1 number types. With preposition. 6 number types. Friends, noun. 1 number types. In preposition. 6. The adjective. Okay, the is a and the article, but it is also an
Adjective.
adjective. 4 morning 1. Okay, and conjunction 7 jewel noun 1 play
Art.
verb
Football noun. 3.
verb 3. Okay, verb. Okay, it is action verb 1
That's it.
6 classmate noun 1
Preposition.
adjective 4 afternoon
Noun.
no
So,
afternoon
afternoon.
actually it is here like a noun, but it is also a verb. It is also a verb, but here expressed by only one is a noun. Okay, this kind of words we will discuss about adverb in the several way. Okay, when we will discuss about several way different in the different classes, we will discuss details. Okay, it is the more conclusion speech about part of speech. We will discuss today very important topics part of speech, because without part of speech we cannot speak and write or listen. Okay, so part of speech is very important in English grammar or English language etc. Thank you very much. Have any question here?
No question.
No question. Thank you. No more today.